Hey color lovers, I will be showing you how to make this really cute door sign. It only takes a couple minutes to make, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Right here, I'm drawing out my picture. I'm doing a quote, but you don't have to do that. You can do anything you want. Now I'm coloring it. Now I am going to laminate it, but with a tiny bit of a twist. I am going to add glitter to it. The thing about glitter and laminating, the glitter will not spill out of your sign, so that's pretty cool about it. Glitter, 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 and a little bit more of glitter. Finally, I'm finished with all that glitter. Time to laminate. Now I'm going to cut it out. For the next step, you'll need tape, scissors, and some string or yarn. First, you'll need to cut your string. You might have to shorten out your string, or you might have to get a new piece. Whatever is good for you is fine. Here's my length. Now you're going to take your piece of yarn and put it on your sign, like this. Now grab your tape and tape your yarn onto your sign. I used about 4 pieces, but you can do however many pieces you want. I want mine to be secure, so that's why I did 4. Ta-da! I'm finished. This is what it should turn out in the end. I really like mine. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Anyways, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!